Once your pattern is printed, you're going to lay the entire thing out before cutting out the size that you would like. To put the pattern together, you'll either need to fold or trim the sides. In this video, I'll show you the fold method. So what you're going to do is you're going to start backwards at F4 if you're printing the letter pattern, or at E6 if you have the A4 version. For the fold method, you're going to want to fold every right side and every bottom. This way you can make sure that the pattern lines up. You can also trim the right side and the bottom as well. Folding will just save you a little bit of time. Once the pattern is assembled and taped, you're going to take your scissors and cut out the size that you would like. If you want to make more than one jacket, I recommend tracing this pattern on cardstock or pattern paper to reuse again. But that's it. Then you have all your pattern pieces and you're ready to cut. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe at Lorraine Handmade and follow us on Instagram at Lorraine Handmade for more sewing patterns, tutorials, and inspiration. Thanks, y'all.